Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable grounding with Google Search in Google AI Studio. The first thing I want you to do is open up a new chat in the Google AI Studio website. And then on the right-hand side, okay, I want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see Tools. And I want you to click on this down arrow with Tools and toggle this on, grounding with Google Search. And once you do this, you'll enable the feature and the model will then have the ability to, automatically generate search queries and use the search results to ground its response. It can even give you citations. So here I have an example prompt. Okay, I'll go ahead and run this. And now it will go ahead and get me the results using Google Search to get the latest information. So let's give it a few seconds. There you go. We get sources right here. And this is the latest information as of today, because this one, the cutoff for this model was actually January 2025, but it has data as of recent, and that is how to enable grounding with Google Search in Google AI Studio.